The LunaTouch can operate in two modes. Non-programmable mode keeps the temperature fixed at your set point. Programmable mode lets you set up to 4 temperatures per day to automatically manage your home's climate. The thermostat is set to programmable mode by default. To switch it to non-programmable, press and hold the power button until the screen turns off. Press and hold the M button until Setup appears in the bottom right. Then, press OK to enter the Features menu. Keep pressing OK until you see 05 in the top right. 01 in the middle of the screen is the default programmable mode. Press the down arrow once to select 00 for non-programmable. Press the power button twice to confirm. The thermostat is now in manual mode. It will adjust only when you change the temperature using the arrows. Press OK to set your desired temperature. The LunaTouch thermostat is set to the 5-day 2-day programmable mode by default. Here's how to change it to the 7-day programmable mode, allowing you to set each day separately. Start by holding the power button until the display turns off. Then hold the M or menu button until Setup appears. Press OK to enter the Settings menu, and continue pressing OK until you reach setting 05. 01 is the 5-day 2-day mode. Use the up arrow to change this to 02 for the 7-day mode. Press the power button to save the setting, and press it again to return to the main menu. Now to set your schedules. To set your schedules, press the M button to open the menu and press it again until schedule is flashing. Then press OK. Choose the day you want to set using the up or down arrows. Press OK to select. You'll now set the 4 periods for that day. For each period, adjust the hour using the arrows and press OK. Then adjust the minutes, and press OK. Then, set the temperature and press OK again. Repeat this for periods 1 through to 4. When you're finished, press OK. The thermostat will now display Copy To. This allows you to copy the schedule to other days. Press OK to start selecting the days. Use the up arrow to include the day that is flashing. And use the down arrow to deselect the day that is flashing. Once you've selected the days you want, press OK to return to the main menu. Finally, press the power button once more to exit the menu. Your 7-day schedule is now set.